This right here, what you're looking at the moment, is a perfect example of how infrastructure shapes development. Good road access has made Juja Farm Road an attractive place to live while still remaining within a commuting distance of Nairobi. What was once a quiet agricultural area has transformed it one of the fastest growing corridors around Nairobi. Just look around. You'll notice businesses everywhere. Petrol stations have sprung up along the road. Hardware stores lines both sides, and choma joints compete to attract motorists and weekend visitors. It's a clear sign that where people set up businesses naturally follow. But this growth isn't happening by accident. As more families move here in search of an affordable land and housing, developers have responded by building gated communities and modern residential estates. Schools have followed too, including international schools that cater for the growing middle class. Furniture shops and